Today we're looking at part number K21-301-00. This is your Fortress aluminum oil cap for your 10,000 pound heavy duty through 15,000 pound Dexter axles. This cap has a 4-inch diameter like the 10K heavy duty, 12K and 15K axles. Let's actually measure it. So the inner diameter is 3.57 and the outer diameter is going to come in right at 3.97. So pretty much 4. Now this particular cap, it can only be used with Dexter because it has a shallower base. It will not work with the Carter axles or the Lippard axles because you have to accommodate that cotter pin. So you use the other cap in the other video I showed you if you have the Carter axles or Lippard axles. So this one will only work with the Dexter because it has only 1.96 inch. It's only 1.96 inches deep. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering. But besides that, they'll work on 12K, 15K, or 10K heavy duty, not general duty, trailer axles. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.